Good morning from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. I'm John Marino with The Street on Friday, December 13th. This hour, U.S. futures are looking up on news of a two-year budget deal sailing through the U.S. House of Representatives and overseas markets mostly in the black. When you take a look at our global markets board here at the NASDAQ, the FTSE is up 0.2%. The DAX also midday up 0.2%. CAC 40 is up 0.3%, and the Nikkei rebounding from a down week earlier, closing up 0.4%. And back here at the NASDAQ wall, shareholders in Restoration Hardware will likely remember this Friday the 13th. Despite recording an earnings beat yesterday of 32 cents a share, Restoration Hardware took a double-digit dive after the close on news that co-CEO Carlos Alberini is leaving the company to lead Lucky Brand, which was just bought by private equity firm Leonard Green. And the stock is off about 10% going into the open this morning. Another stock moving down in pre-market this morning is Dollar General. The news here is that private equity investors, including KKR, which brought the company public, sold more than $250 million in stock. Dollar General went public in 2009 at 21 bucks a share, but the LBO shop's exit translates to more than $60 a share, according to a report in the Wall Street Journal. Dollar General stock is up more than 37% so far this year. And one stock making a jump after the close yesterday was Adobe. Shares went up more than 5% yesterday after the close, and the company's revenue was more than $1 billion at the high end of its guidance, and earnings matched estimates at 32 cents a share. But what truly had buyers excited once the market closed was a surprise in Adobe's cloud business, which posted stronger than expected gains. And last but certainly not least, it's our action alert this morning coming from Jim Cramer and it's Caterpillar. Shares of Caterpillar are off about 5% so far in 2013, but Cramer is a buyer here on the improving global economy, as well as the company's restructuring plan. And that's a wrap for us this week, but be sure to track breaking news all day at thestreet.com. For The Street, I'm John Marino. Have a great weekend.